My name is Alagisha and I'm your coach for today's class. So I'll be teaching you on how you can import font to Pixelab because on a normal gram importing font to Pixelab is really very hard. You understand? Till I came across a particular app. Now let's go into today's class. Now, so there's a particular font I want to download, and you just type on your Google, depend on the font you want to download. So I want to download the font called Monument. So I just type download Monument font. All right. So then let's use this. All right. So this the font. Press download. Mm, should start downloading. So at this moment, yes, already downloaded. It's done already. So another thing is that you need to get a specific app, a app called the Archiver. This app, you need to have it. So download should be able to download it on your Play Store. Now, I would like to tell you guys that you need to create a folder. Now the reason is because if you are like me that do a lot of download, I do a lot of download, and you can see them. So searching for and the reason is because when it comes in a zipped format, that's the font you download from the site or any site you download it. Now when you download it, it comes here and it comes with a zip file. So you now unzipping it on this place can sometimes be stressful for you. So you might want to create a file. You just click on this plus button and you see this place, click on it. You just name it. You can name it Fine Boy, whatever name you want to call it. So I name my font in capital letter. Do you understand? So you come to download. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, I should be able to see monument, that's it here. So you come here, you click on exact or extract rather. You understand? You press your back, click on the folder you created. Yes, you extract it here. So you're unzipping it, and that's it. This is it. So what you do is go to your Pixelab. Like I said, I'm using a different form of Pixelab, so you can download. It works for all phones, Pixelab. Do you understand? So you come here, uh, come here. Yes, this is. You should go to your font. Go to my font. You can press this or this. So let's click on this. Do not forget that font. The folder you unzipped that font. You understand? Or you will unzip that file. So this is it here. You come here, click it, and that's it. Then you go down to check it. That's it here. Look at it. Can you see it? Very easy and very can you see it's very easy to do. You can also use it to use it to edit or yeah, this it you can just okay come let's use it for this one. This is monument. Okay, fonts, just to show you that you can be able to use it for your design. See, go to monument, and that is it. Can you see how easy it is? All right, thank you for watching today's video and episode. Uh, uh, um very soon I'm going to teach you on another design, how to make it better flyer. Don't wait to subscribe. It doesn't bite. It doesn't bite. You understand? Just subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next class.